I'm Stuart Webley. I am the landlord of the Tŷ Coch Inn at Llwybr. It's got everything. It's got mountains, it's got sea, it's got coastal paths. The pub was built in 1822 out of red brick that came back from Holland as ballast in the bottom of a boat. Yeah, lots of people who walk along the coastal path, and they all swing by and say hello. The lifeboat station's stunning. You rock out and see seals on the rocks, look out for the seals. North Wales is like New Zealand in a nutshell, you know, it's got everything. It's dramatic. Walk the coastal path, catch all the sights, and for outdoors people.